welcome back ulit sa ating channel guys. So it's officially our day 2 already here in Hong Kong. And kahapon nga is nag-start tayo ng ating day 1 with a day trip to Macau. So this time, ang gagawin natin kasi gusto sumakay ni ma'am ng mga rides sa Disneyland, saka gusto din niya ma-experience yung Disneyland, is pupuntahan natin yung Disneyland for today's video. So hopefully is makapag-stay tayo ng whole day doon. Depende na lang sa ating ma'am if makakahintay siya with the fireworks. No? One thing is for sure is mag-explore tayo sa ating Disneyland today. No? So this is also my third time going to Disneyland and also my third time in Hong Kong. So every time na napupunta ko ng Hong Kong is pupunta talaga ako ng Disneyland kasi for me, that is one of the happiest place, no, indeed, one of the happiest place on earth. So samahan niyo kami ngayon sa ating video as we explore Disneyland again for the third time around. Guys, we are now outside the Mongkok. So ito yung outside view in the morning sa aming hotel. Ayan. Oh, so wala masyadong tao. Ma, dito dapit ma. The weather today is medyo malamig siya in the morning. Pero tolerable lang naman. Mga nasa around 20 degrees yung temperature natin as per check sa map. Kasi mother naka-jacket na siya. So to get to the Hong Kong Disneyland is sasakay tayo ng train, mag-MTR lang tayo guys. So may malapit tayo na train dito sa atin. That is exit D3. Yan, malapit. Yung pinagbabaan natin kagabi na train station sa exit, doon din tayo pupunta. Ayan, so from here sa Mongkok guys is pupunta tayo ng Sunnyvale. So orange line ang ating kukunin. We are going now to the Hong Kong Disneyland. Guys, welcome to the happiest place on earth. Disneyland for the third time around. First time pa ni Mudra. Mother, first time. Guys, so ito kasunod 30 minutes from our hotel. Mongkok going to Disneyland Resort. Ayan, so ang daming tao guys, even on a Friday. Guys, may locker room dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Ayan. So if you plan to do your Hong Kong Disneyland on the very first day upon arrival, you can leave your luggage here. The fee is 150 Hong Kong dollars. We are already Promenade Market. Already on our Disneyland, mother dear. Okay. Guys, so mahaba yung pila sa entrance kasi 10 AM pa lang. So, nagpipilahan na for the entrance ticket. Malayo pala. And guys, after 45 minutes of lining up, we have entered Disneyland. And officially our third entry here sa Disneyland Resort. So, iuunahan natin yung ride na paborito ko talaga dito sa Hong Kong, yung Iron Man. Puntahan muna natin yun. Mother! Okay, so first stop guys is Tomorrowland. Ito yung una natin sasakyan. Sasakay tayo ng Iron Man. One of my favorite rides here in Hong Kong. Mother, Tomorrowland! Yes! Oh, wala masyadong tao dito guys. Sa Tomorrowland. Medyo makulimlim yung weather ngayon. Okay. So yung first ride natin is the Ant-Man and the Wasp. Wala masyadong pila guys. No? So pasok agad tayo sa entrance. Go, go, go! The mother dear! Done with the first ride. Walang pila guys. Guys, next ride natin is the Iron Man experience. This is one of the best ride, or I mean my favorite ride here in Hong Kong Disneyland. It's Iron Man guys. One of my favorite here in Hong Kong.
The launch door has malfunctioned.
Ayan, so tapos na kami sa Ironman, guys. Second ride, in fairness in just 15 minutes, 2 rides na yung nasakyan natin. No? Yan, so next is, ano tayo next ma? Next natin na ride is, it's a small world, it's small world after all. Jubilee, it's a small world, after all, it's a small world. Lalalala. Guys, after sa It's a Small World, dito kami ngayon sa Frozen. So, yung napilahan namin guys is a show in Frozen. Sa may show daw. So, ayan guys. So, yung first natin na attraction dito sa Frozen is a playhouse in the woods na show. No, so isa itong Frozen sa mga hindi ko na puntahan. Kasi bago lang ito nag-open. Parang 2 years ago lang. Ana is here! Ana Viciosa! Ay, nga ni Radi, ay! Nga di pala yung bisis mayaka, di ko kayaka! Oh my God! Di na mayaka, ma?
Okay, you can sit here.
No, I can't sit.
Oh, you can go to the back.
Okay. For this show pala guys, is hindi siya, kailangan naka-squat. So hindi ako na makaka-squat. So sa ano na tayo, sa pinakalikod. Oh, show pala ito na si Ana. Ayun. Oh. Guys, nag-lunch kami dito sa Frozen. Ayan, so dito kami ngayon sa Frozen restaurant, sa Frozen World. Nag-lunch, tapos na kami nag-lunch ni ma'am. Yung lunch namin guys is, nag-total siya ng 378 HKD. So that is 3,000 pesos. More or less. No? Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa second ride in the Frozen na world. This is Ever After. No, so sana friendly ang ride na to. Then, hindi masyado ganun kadami yung tao. So good na. Lami ang pagkaon? Sarap daw siya guys. Sarap siya. Dapat masarap talaga kasi 3,000 yun. Hindi, abot mo siya dito. Katakan ka magyatay hapon na dito. Oh, it's the Frozen. We used to be best buddies.
Nhổ thôi, xin tặng tôi là chứ. Nó chạy
Cold never bothered me anyway. Wow, it's snowy. Hi guys. Akala mo chill ride lang siya. Yung Ever After, Frozen Ever After. Pero may pa-twist siya guys, no? So, but a must ride ito sa Hong Kong Disneyland, sa Frozen Ever After. So next is, let's proceed to another world. Tapos na tayo sa Frozen.
New world.
Ha?
Let's proceed to the whole new world.
Tapos na tayo sa audio. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Fantasyland. I think this is a Fantasyland. Ayan. Tapos may parang bago to Winnie the Pooh. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. So si Mother gusto siyang sumakay ng ano ba ito? Carousel. Ayan. So sige. Maaha ka. 5 minutes yung wait time daw, sabi dito. Ayan, so dito tayo. From this point, 5 minutes. Guys, next ride is this carousel kasi gusto sumakay ni Mama na carousel. So the last time nagsakay siya is bata pa daw kami. No? This is not the second time. Mother! Heya! Heya!
Balik sa pagkabata.
Oh! Tuwa na tigulang! Di mamaling sakay! Sakay! Mother! after natin sa Fantasyland, yung carousel lang yung ating sinakyan, guys. So, dito na tayo sa Adventureland. Sa Adventureland na tayo. All the way to the Grizzly Gulch. Adventureland. We're here at the Grizzly Gulch, guys. This is one of the best rides here also in Hong Kong. Ayun, oh, there. However, we will not be doing it with mom kasi she's afraid of, ganyan. So, hindi natin pupush yung mother kasi senior na sila. Baka tumaas yung dugo. So, may isa pa tayong ride na gusto kong sakyan dito. Yung somewhere sa yung after Toy Story Land. So, parang horror ang dating. Monster House ba yun? Dito pala yun, guys. Sa Mystic Manor. Ayun, Mystic Manor Mansion. Dito tayo. So, mas masaya to dito. Chill lang para sa aking mother. So, with a senior citizen like me is hindi naman na tayo sasakay ng mga extreme rides kasi si mother.
Hello, can you hear me out there from back in the projection room? Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到 my late Daiza, home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence.
Another riding of Mystic Manor. It's a chill ride. This will be a chill riding. Oh, wow.
Hello there. Yeah, I was just looking for...
The mother. Guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa may Toy Story Land. So yung pinipilahan natin is yung dog spinner ng Toy Story. So I think parang dito na yung magiging last natin na ride kasi hindi na kami maghihintay sa fireworks because we will be going to the Long Ping kasi gusto ni Mama experience ng riding a cable car. Ayan, so this will be I may be our last ride here in Disneyland.
睇住啲小朋友啊，知冇 ？Welcome. Watch the platform gap, everybody. For
Okay, ouch. Aray. Okay,
have the phone. Yes.
thank you.
Udang na pa.
Yeah. The mother. Ooh. Ma. Scott.
Kabata. Kabata.
Guys, though pambata siya, pero nakakaaliw yun siya na ride. Yung dog something na yun. Okay, guys, as per observation, parang may nakikita akong dalawang nakakonstruct na dito something sa Disneyland. So, soon, may new attraction na naman dito sa Disneyland. They are expanding more and more, no? Para makapag-compete sa different parts of different Disneylands in the globe. And guys, gusto sumakay ni ma'am ng yung tasa-tasa. Gusto niya sumakay dyan. Gusto sumakay ni mother sa may tasa-tasa. So, pagbigyan, this will be our 9th ride for today.
Sakay may para namin pang-kape.
Yeah, tasa-tasa tayo guys, no? Tara ma! Let's go there! Mother, di ba yan na tasa-tasa, Ash? Sa tasa na naman tayo. Gatuyok na siya, guys! Mother! Woo! Mother! Mothering! Oh. Ayan guys, so we will na be heading back na. Labas na kami ng Disneyland. So we will not wait na for the fireworks kasi 9 p.m. pa siya. We still have
Nag-aral ng Davao.
ano na Davao. We still have an itinerary to fulfill after this kasi gusto ni ma'am magsakay ng cable car. So hindi pa siya nakasakay ng cable car. So dapat ma-experience na ni mama. From here is we will be going again to Sunny Bay. And then proceed agad tayo sa Tongchong kasi malapit na naman yung Tongchong. So we'll be having the Nongping cable car to 60 round trip going to the Tian Buddha. Guys, pwede nang gamitin itong mga debit cards sa mga MTR. So I'm using Kotime. My mom is using Maribank. If you're gonna be using the card, hanapin nyo lang itong part ng MTR guys na may ganito. Yung parang may kulay blue. Then, tap nyo lang. Ma! Basta. Hindi kita ka ng agi. Hindi na lang ko agi. Patlak ka. So yan guys. So, pwede ka na hindi bumili ng octopus card and just use your debit cards. We are now here at Tongchong guys. And exit na tayo. Ma! So from here sa Tongchong is hanapin na natin yung for Nongping na cable car. Dito din pala sa Tongchong guys yung City Gate outlet. So later or baka may time pa tayo, pupunta tayo na City Gate. Exit B yung Nongping. Okay, dito may bakehouse pala dito sa Nongping. Oh.
Asa man ka?
Ayan, then ayun. Doon na yung Nongping. Hanapin natin yung Nongping. Kalabas mo dyan sa MTR. Sa harap niya yung City Gate outlet. So dito lang pala siya. Ayun oh, yung cable car. Guys, so nag-purchase na tayo ng ticket sa Klook. Yung kinuha ko na ticket is 1,600 plus. Round trip na siya na the cable car ride. Standard lang yung kinuha natin. No? That is good for 2 adults. 1,600 per person. Round trip na siya. So nasa 3,000 plus lang siya. So hala, hanggang 6 p.m. lang pala yung Nongping. So we need to head back agad-agad. Ma, pagkabot ito, balik na dayon ta. Mother there is having her first experience in the cable car. The mother. Yun yung cable car guys. Oh. From there all up to that mountain. Ganun kahaba ang cable car. Guys, there is the Buddha. Ayan. That's the Chantan Buddha. So unfortunately, closed na siya at 6 p.m. So, para arriving sa Nongping, diretso na ulit tayo pababa. Marami palang stores dito, guys. So, we only have 20 minutes to explore. After that, we will be heading back to the cable car. Dito na lang kami na spot, nagpa-picture kasi makikita mo naman si Tiantan Buddha. So, we will not be exploring further na kasi last trip na, anytime, any moment from now, sa cable car. Tapos, mahangin, guys. Yun o, sobrang hangin. Tapos, malamig. So, right after here is sasakay tayo ng cable car. Tapos, mag-shop tayo konti sa City Gate, no? Check natin kung ano yung ating mabibili doon. Sa City Gate outlet sa may Tongchong. And guys, we're back. Oh, hello. Ang ganda sana. We're back at Tongchong. So, after here is we'll head to the City Gate. Then, mag-look outan tayo ng mga kukunting mga shoes and then maybe baka dito na din tayo mag-dinner. So yung first stop natin is Asics. Okay, so may nakikita akong nakasale siya 390 to 490. So yung mga ganito is nasa $490 lang siya, around 4 to 5k. Ito bet guys, oh. Around nasa 600 to 490 lang siya. So mga nasa 5,000 almost. Pero nandito parang NB inspired. $620. So, para siyang NB guys. Na style. Ito guys, may Fila, may K-Swiss din. Tapos may the North Face outlet. Mostly naka-sale 70% off. Oh my god. Come here na guys if you want to buy. May Puma. Tapos marang NB. Guys, we're back in Mongkok. After namin nag-shop doon sa City Gate, guys, nakabili na lang ako ng isang shoes. tsaka Bath and Body. After namin nag-shop doon sa Tung-Shung guys, is umuwi na kami ni Mother dito sa aming accommodation sa Mongkok. So that comprises our day 2 here in Hong Kong. Disneyland at saka Nongping. Bukas guys, isamahan nyo na kami ulit sa aming part 3 or sa aming last day dito sa Hong Kong, in which mag-DIY city tour tayo. That's it. Thank you for watching.